Middle of the breeding season. Two chicks, sitting eggs. Two chicks, sitting eggs. Sitting eggs. Two chicks. I just abandoned them this today. Two chicks. Put a pot. Learn how to eat. Sitting eggs. Two chicks. Gonna put all the pots for them maybe tomorrow, so they learn how to eat. Two chicks. This is the younger chick I have. Two chicks. There's a chick there. There's two chicks there. Two baby grizzles. Two chicks here. Two here. Dark checkers here. Eggs. Two chicks in the back. Got two here. Sitting eggs. There's two here. Sitting eggs. 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 And I got two here. Sitting eggs. I got some chicks on the other coop as well. About 7 of them. So that's the total what I have for 2019. I think I'm gonna throw all the eggs because I don't want any second round. I think I'm just gonna keep 2 or 3 sets of selective because I still don't know. So they're all quality birds. I must have some result this year. This is my first year, so we'll see. I started my first year, so I started step by step by the book. I'm adding some stuff that I learned from myself. We'll see how it's gonna go. Hopefully all good. I wish that was grizzle. I had a nesting ball in his nest box, but they just decided to lay on the floor. I don't let them lay on the floor in case I want to keep the eggs, but this guy just laid on the floor, so I'll remove it. I think in about a week I'm gonna bring all the babies down for like 3 days before take them to their loft to wean them. And take all the hands away and put them back after I take the babies out. But we'll see how it's gonna go. This is just an update. Today is it's 5:09 in the afternoon. Today is the 28th. I think it's the 28th. This is 26th. It's Saturday, 26th of January. So I'm having some early bred so I can use them and motivate them in the racing season. We'll see how it's gonna go. I'll follow up with other videos. This is gonna be my first video. I'm just showing you my breeding loft and how I take care of them. As far as the food, I don't trough or feed them, so I don't leave any food in the trough. I try to feed them twice a day, maybe if I have time. But if I feed them, they gotta eat and go feed their baby. I don't leave any food in there. Okay. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. See you guys later for more tips and videos. Later.